In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wiki website easily with WordPress. By the end, you'll have a clear path to set up a Wiki-style site and add helpful Wikipedia previews that appear when readers hover or click on links. Start by heading to wordpress.com and opening your site's dashboard. Choose the site you want to turn into a wiki, or simply select the site you're already managing. Once you're in the dashboard for that site, look for the Plugins section. This is where we'll add the tool that makes your wiki content feel interactive and informative. In the Plugins area, use the search bar and type Wikipedia. You're looking for the result that says, Wikipedia Preview lets you show a pop-up card with a short summary from Wikipedia when a reader clicks or hovers over a link. Click that result to open its details page, then select Wikipedia Preview to view the full plugin page. Take a moment to explore the plugin page. Switch to the Installation tab to see an outline of how it installs and what to expect. Then hop over to the FAQs tab. This is a great place to understand how the preview cards behave, which languages are supported, and what kinds of links trigger the pop-ups. Spending a minute here can save you time later, especially if you're building a multilingual or highly structured wiki. When you're ready to proceed, click Get Started. WordPress will guide you through a short setup flow tied to this plugin. You'll land on a domain screen. If you want a brand new web address for your wiki, use the Search Domains option to look for something clear and memorable. If you already own a domain and want to use it, choose the option that says you already have a domain. That will open a field where you can enter your existing address. Enter the domain you want to connect, then move forward by pressing Continue. WordPress will handle the rest of the onboarding from here, including attaching the plugin to your site. A quick tip. On WordPress.com, installing plugins typically requires a plan that supports plugins. If you don't see the plugins menu, check your plan and upgrade if needed. Once your site is set, you can start adding content like articles, categories, and internal links. As you link key terms to Wikipedia pages, your readers will see those elegant preview cards, which is perfect